Hey kangaroos, welcome back, and we are starting a new series called CrackMe Solve. In this series, every day we will get a CrackMe exe, reverse engineer it, and then solve the specific flag. Which means we will take a binary, then reverse engineer it into a assembly, and then read its code and solve the specific issue by exploiting vulnerabilities or via the logic flow. At first, we will start with the easy crack me, and for this I have a difficulty of 1, which is literally the easiest one, and it's from Sharpie's insanely simple crack me. If I don't misspell the name, sorry. And we'll slowly get into hard ones, but first we'll solve the easiest one. And all the crack me's are in zipped into a password, and the password is crackmes.1. So when you unzip, you get this binary. Like I unzipped it and I got this binary. To turn it into a assembly code, we will need a assembler. There are a few assemblers, we have something called ida, which is a paid one, and then Ghidra. But for now we will just use a dynamic one, which is called x64dbg, and it's free and open source. You can easily download it from Chrome or any other browser. But first let's open and check it. So it says enter password, which means it requires a password. So there are two things we can do. If the password is hard coded, we can check the password inside assembly code, or we will change the code so it works even if we send the wrong password. So it could be a logic flow. So the logic could be like this. So if password is not correct, it says incorrect password or correct password. So if that's the case, we can change it to we can change it. So if the password is equal correct password, then it will say incorrect password, else it will say correct password. So if we change the equal, then obviously it's false because our password is not correct, so it will say correct password. So it will not go there, else it will say correct password. But this is really sometimes it's not really the case. So time how the application work is, just it check if password is equal to correct password, it says it's a correct password, or if it's not equal the correct password, it says wrong password. So correct password could be a hard value, and the current password or the user password will be the password we typed. So it's checking if it's not correct password, which is the original one, it will say incorrect password. So we can just change it to if we change it to if not equal correct password, then it will say correct password, and our password is not correct password, remember. So if we change it to not equal correct password, it will uh give a you can bypass the password check, because our password is obviously not equal to the original password, so I mean the correct password. So we'll open the debugger. These applications are also called disassembler. Now let's drag and drop the exe inside this. From here we can search for specific strings like incorrect password or correct password, or the result it shows after we type incorrect password. So if I go there and string reference, so I can search for strings, and I don't have to search, actually it's already there. Look, incorrect successful logged in incorrect password. So I can just go there. If I double click here, it will redirect to me that area where it found a text, and you can see there it is. There we go. So it's it's checking not if the password is not equal to, and I believe this is the actual I mean password, the hard-coded password. So it's assigning a variable to this string value, and if I'm not wrong, this string value is the password. So we'll not solve this by using this password. We'll make it so no password is needed. But okay, we can see to compare string, it's using a C function called str compare. So str compares give two values 0 or 1. That's why it's checking. If it's not equal to 0, then it will pass to the next. So I'll so that's why I have to make it so if it's equal 0, which means false, then it will also log in me. So I want to change jump not equal to jump equal to, so I can easily use this software without like giving it the real password. Okay, I have change it from jump not equal to jump equal. So I will save it inside another exe, like I will save like a patched or cracked one. So yeah, so you can check it right now. Let's ignore this antivirus shit. Okay. Hmm, done. So now we can check it. Here you go, we have cracked. This is the real exe and this is the one we cracked. So let's check if it works or not. So let's run it. And what the hell, this shit. Okay, it should work now. It should work now. Now let's type anything we want. So like hello, and you can see we logged in successfully without the correct password. And it's really easy. So let's understand. So like a zero, so zero is actually false. So when our value is like false, so it means it's the wrong password. And when it's not equal zero, it's actually one, but this application uses not equal. So if it's not equal zero, this means it's actually the right password. So what we can do, we can change the code and make it so even if password is not equal to 0, it sorry, even if password is equal to 0, it will still go to the like successfully login function. So it's really that simple. It's checking with the like str compare function, and if it's equal 0, it says wrong password, and if it's not equal to 0, it's just printing like successfully logged in.